Question number 5, part A. The figure shows a sketch of the curve C with the parametric equations x is equal to 4 tan x and y is equal to 5 root 3 sin 2t. It is from 0 to pi over 2. Point P lies on the C and has a coordinate 4 root 3 and 15 over 2. Find the exact value of dy over dx at point P. So dy over dx will be d over dx, y is 5 root 3 sin 2t over d over dx for 10t. So this will be 5 root 3 sin 2t is cos 2t and 2t is 2 over 4 10t is 4 sec square t. So that will be equal to this is 2 5 root 3 over 2 cos 2t and sec square is cos square t. That is dy over dx. This is a simplified surd. Part B. Point Q lie on the curve C. Point P lie on the curve C. Imagine this is point P. Point Q lie on the curve C where dy over dx is 0. Find the exact coordinate of Q. Find the exact value of dy is okay. Find the Q lie on the find the exact value of dy over dx at point P. So we have to put this value not through with the part A because we have to find this value at P. So dy over dx at at 4 root 3 and 15 over 2 is equal to, now if x is 4 root 3 and x is equal to 4 tan t, this 4 cancel, tan t is equal to root 3, tan t is equal to 10, root 3 is 1060, 1060 is pi over 3, so t is equal to pi over 3 between 0 and 2. That is one value. If I put the y 15/2 is equal to 5 root 3 sine 2t, five times 3 is 15. This is root 3 over 2, so that is equal to sine 2t. So root 3 over 2 in the sine is, this is pi over 3 is equal to sine pi over 3 is sine 2t. So t is equal to pi over 6. Now you can see here we have two values of t. One is pi over 6 and one is pi over 3. So which value of t we are going to have it here? Let's put this value of t in this one. So y is equal to 5 root 3 sine 2 pi over 3. T is equal to pi over 3. So y is equal to 5 root 3 sine 2 pi over 3 is sine 2 pi over 3 is root 3 over 2. So y is equal to, this is 15 over 2. So can you see if we put this value, it is satisfying both. So we are going to use this value of t and not this. You have to be careful about this thing. So it will be 5 root 3 over 2 cos 2 pi over 3 into cos square pi over 3. So that is equal to 5 root 3 over 2 cos 2 pi over 3 is minus half, and cos pi over 3 is also minus half square. So that will be minus 5 root 3 over 16, not 6. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. So this is the value of dy over dx at this point. Now part B. The q lie on the curve where dy over dx is 0. Find the exact coordinate of q. So dy over dx is equal to 5 root 3 over 2 cos 2t cos square t is equal to 0. So this means cos 2t is equal to 0 and cos square t is equal to 0. So cos 2t is equal to cos 0 will be, this will be cos pi over 4 pi over 2. So t will be pi over 4. Put the value of x. So x will be 410 pi over 2. So that will be 4. And y will be 5 root 3 sine 2 pi over 4. So that will be 5 root 3 times 1. So that is 5 root 3. So the coordinate of q will be 4 and 5 root 3. We need not to evaluate this one, and we can write this as an answer. Question number 6. Given that y is a positive number, find integration part 1, (3y) minus 4 divided by y 3y plus 2. So this is a partial fraction, so we are going to write a over y plus b over 3y plus 2. So this is 3y minus 4 is equal to 3y plus 2 multiplied by a plus by. So integral 3y minus 4 over y 3y plus 2, it will be equal to integral a is minus 2 over y dy plus integral 9 over 3y plus 2 dy. So this value will be equal to minus 2 ln y plus 9 ln 3y plus 2 divided by 3. So that is equal to minus 2 ln y (3 times 3) plus 3 ln 3y plus 2 plus c. Use the substitution x is equal to 4 sine square theta. Show that. So x is equal to x is equal to 4 sine square theta. Integral 0 to 3 root x over 4 minus x dx will be equal to x is 4 sine square theta of 4 minus 4 sine square theta. Now if x is 4 sine square theta, dx will be dx is 4 sine square theta is 2 sine theta, and the sine theta is cos theta, d theta. So we will put this value of dx, multiply, this is a root, multiply 8 sine theta cos theta d theta. That is equal to, this 4 cancel, this is sine square theta and this is cos square theta. Integral root, this 4 will cancel, 1 minus sine square theta will be cos square theta. So this is sine square theta over cos square theta. So we can write simply, it is sine theta over cos theta multiply 8 sine theta cos theta d theta. Now we talk about limit. If x is 0, so x is what, 4 sine square theta. So theta will be 0. So if x is 3, this is 3 is equal to 4 sine square theta. Sine square theta is equal to 3 over 4. So sine theta will be root 3 over 2, that is sine 60, pi over 3. So theta is pi over 3. So the limit will be 0 and pi over 3. Now cos theta cancel. So it will be equal to 8 sine square theta and 0 to pi over 3 d theta. That's what we are supposed to prove, where lambda is a constant to be determined. So lambda is 8. Hence use in integration to find. So now we have to integrate this. So if we use this, integration means this and this means 8 integral 0 to pi over 3 1 minus integral 0 to pi over 3 cos 2 theta over 2. Sine square theta is equal to half 1 minus cos 2 theta. You know the formula, cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So that is equal to 4. This is integral 1 is x dx. So we'll say x 0 to pi over 3 minus cos 2 theta is sine 2 theta over 2 0 to pi over 3, and 4 is common. So that is equal to 4 pi over 3 minus 0 is pi over 3 minus half sine 0 is 0, so only the value we will be having is sine 2 pi over 3. So that is 4 pi over 3 minus this 4 half sine 2 pi over 3 is root 3 over 2. So that is equal to 4 over 3 pi minus 2 times 2 is 4, cancel, minus root 3. So that is the answer. Part A, find integral 2x minus 1 is to the power 3 over 2 dx. So this is equal to 2x minus 1 is to the power 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1 plus c. So this is equal to 2x plus 1 is to the power 5 over 2, and this will be 2 over 5 plus c. We have 2x here, so 2x is 2, that will be multiplied by 2, this is multiplied by 2, so that will be equal to 2x plus 1 is to the power 5 over 2 divided by 5 plus c. So that is the differentiation, the integration. Part B. Figure 3 shows a sketch of part of the curve with curve C with the equation y is equal to 2x minus 1 is to the power 3 over 4. The curve C cuts the line y is equal to 8 at P. So this y is equal to 8, so y coordinate is 8. K is a constant. Find the value of K. So our equation is y is equal to 2x minus 1 is to the power 3 over 2, 3 over 4. So at K8. So x is k and y is 8. Y is 8 is equal to 2k minus 1 is to the power 3 over 4. 8 is 2 is to the power 3. This is 3 over 4, so it will be 4 over 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. 3 and 3 cancel. 2 is to the power 4 is 16 is equal to 2k minus 1. This means k is equal to 16 plus 1, 17 over 2. So value of this k will be 17 over 2. So this point is 17 over 2 and 8. Part C. The finite region S, this one, shown shaded in figure 3 is bound by the curve x-axis, y-axis, line y is equal to 8. This is rotated through 2 pi radian. about x-axis to form a solid of revolution. So if it rotates, this is this area, and if you're going to rotate, I'm giving you a rough idea how the figure will be. So you can see it's a cylinder, and if it is going to rotate here, so that will be this rotation means this area will not be there. So we have to find the solid of revolution of this area, that is so what this area will be. So it's very clear here to find the rotation. This bigger area is the area of a cylinder, and this the area of somehow cone. So we use integration to find this area, this yellow part. So this area will be, it's made by this curve, so that is pi integral y square dx. So that will be pi integral y square means the square of this. So this square means it will become 3 over 2. You can see here. So it will be 2x minus 1 is to the power 3 over 2 dx. Now the limit will be, what was this limit? This is half up to this 17 over 2. So this is half and this is 17 over 2. We have done the differentiation integration here, so that is equal to pi over 5, and this is 2x plus 1 is to the power 5 over 2. So that is equal to pi over 5, lower limit 2, upper limit 2, x is 5 over 2 plus 1 minus 2, no, lower limit, not this is not the limit. This is 2, x is, this is half, and this is 17 over 2. 17 over 2 plus 1 to the power 5 over 2 minus 2, now lower limit 1 over 2 plus 1 is to the power 5 over 2. So that is equal to pi over 5. This is 2 and 2 cancel, 17 plus 1, 18. S to the power 5 over 2 minus 2 and 2, 1 minus 1 is 0. Generally we don't get this odd kind of a numbers here. This is minus, this is minus, this is minus, this is minus, so this 17 minus 1, 16. Why we wrote it 0 when it was 1 plus 1? Anyway, this is 1 minus 1, now it is 0. So 16 to the power 5 over 2. So that is equal to pi over 5. 16 is 4 square. 4 square. So 4 is to the power 5. 4 is to the power 5 means 2 is to the power 10. That is 1, 0, 2, 4 over 5 pi. This is the area of this yellow portion. Now this is cylinder also. This is 8. This length is 8. No, this length is not 8. The radius is 8. And the height, this is the radius. And this height is, this is 17 over 2. And this is half. This is half. This is 17 over 2. And this, we have to find this complete. So we are going to use 17 over 2. So height is 17 over 2. So pi 8 square h. That is how much? 17 times 8 times 4 pi. So it will be, that is 544 pi. So we have this area and we have this area. So area of S is equal to 554 pi. Cylinder is bigger. Minus 1024 over 5 pi. So S is equal to 1696 over 5 pi. So this is the volume of the solid generated by this. We have used Y as a to make it a cylinder, but if you want you can use the integration, and for the integration Y is equal to 8. You can use even the integration to find this area. So this is question number 1, part A. With respect to a fixed line O, the line L1 is given by equation This is L1. It's given by equation I is equal to 813 minus 3 plus mu minus 543. Mu is a scalar parameter. Point A lies on L1. This is A. And at this, mu is equal to 1. So this mu is 1. So the coordinate of A will be A part so it will be 8 1 minus 3 plus 1 minus 5 4 3. So that will be equal to 8 minus 5 1 plus 4 minus 3 plus 3. So that will be 3 5 and 0. So these are the coordinates of A. Point P has a position vector 1 5 2. Line L2 passes through point P and parallel to L1. Now there is another line L2. This one is having a point P on it. These are parallels. Write down the point P has a position vector 1 5 2. So this is 1 5 2. Part B. Write the vector equation of line L1. So we have to find the vector equation of L2. So that will be R is equal to this is 1 5 2. So that is 1 5 2 plus lambda, direction vector is minus 5 4 3. Part C. Find the exact value of distance AP. Give your answer in the form of k root 2. AP is OP minus OA. OP is 1 5 2 minus OA is 3 5 0. That is 1 minus 3 minus 2, 5 minus 5, 0, 2 minus 0, 2. So AP will be root minus 2 square plus 0 square plus 2 square. So that will be equal to 4 plus 4, 8. Root 8. That is 2 root 2. So it is in the form of, this is 2 root 2 in the form of k root 2. So we can say that k is equal to this was part C. Now part D. The acute angle between AP and L2. AP and L2 is theta. Let's assume this line is roughly like this. Anyway, this is theta. Find the value of cos theta. So cos theta is AP, and this is minus 543 divided by length AP is 2 root 2, and this length is, that is 5 square plus 4 square plus 3 square. Now AP we have calculated minus 202, so minus 202. So if you calculate, the cos theta will be 4/5. Now point E lies on L2. Suppose this is E. Given that AP is equal to PE, AP is equal to PE. So AP is 2 root 2 and this is also 2 root 2, the length. Find the area of triangle APE. APE. So the area of the triangle APE will be, is it a right triangle? No. So this is half AP PE sin theta. So that is equal to half. AP is 2 root 2, P is 2 root 2. We know cos theta is 4/5. We have just calculated. So cos square theta is 4/5 square. So cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta is 4/5. So sin square theta is 1 minus 16/25. That is 25 minus 16, 9/25. So sin theta will be 3/5. So multiply 3/5. So that is equal to 2 and 2 cancel. This is 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12/5. You can also calculate in this way if this is theta. So cos theta is 4/5. This is 5, this is 4, so this is 3. So sin theta is 3/5. Now you have to find the coordinate of two possible values. You find it yourself. This is easy. So E can be here and E can be, there are two places. So you have to find the coordinate of place E. Try it yourself. If you find any problem, definitely I'll post it. Thank you very much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press like button. Thank you very much.